tablets, and other small devices may be held. But laptops and larger devices must be stowed in their cases in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. If your device is lost or falls into the seat structure, do not move your seat. Just call a member of our cabin crew. It is illegal to smoke on this flight, including electronic cigarettes. It is also strictly prohibited to smoke in the lavatories, which are equipped with smoke detectors. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down automatically from the service unit above your seats. Pull the nearest mask immediately. Remove your protective medical mask and, if any, face shield. Place the oxygen mask over your face, covering your nose and mouth. Pull the straps to adjust it and breathe normally. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping others. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front, center, and rear. The exit signs will help you locate them. Take a moment now to locate your nearest sign, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following the exit signs and the illuminated path along the aisle. To ensure a quick evacuation, please leave behind all hand luggage, high heels, and sharp objects. You will find your life vest attached to your seat as shown. If needed, slip it over your head, attach the straps, and tighten it. When you reach the exit, inflate your life jacket by pulling the red toggles, or by blowing into the tube or tubes. The light will come on when in contact with one. The crew will provide life vests for infants. Please only put the life vest on your infant in an emergency situation and inflate it immediately. Exit doors are equipped with automatically inflating slides, which the crew will operate in case of an emergency. Before takeoff and landing, please make sure that your window blind is open, your tray table is closed, and your seat back is fully upright. Please stow your footrest, video screen, and handset. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. Make sure you follow all signs and cabin crew instructions at all times. Enjoy your flight. Disabled passengers may refer to the specially designed safety video within the in-flight entertainment system, or simply get in touch with the flight attendants for more details.
İyi akşamlar hanımefendiler, beyefendiler ve sevgili çocuklar. Star Airlines üyesi Türk Hava Yolları'nın Etihad Hava Yolları'yla Abu Dhabi Uluslararası Havalimanı olan ortak uçuşuna hoş geldiniz. Kabin amiriniz ben Betül Pelvan ve ekibim, yolculuğunuzun iyi ve rahat geçmesi için sizlere yardımcı olmaktan mutluluk duyarız. Elektronik cihazlarınızı uçuş modunda kullanabilirsiniz. Uçuş modu özelliği bulunmayan elektronik cihazları kapatmanız, kalkış ve iniş esnasında tüm elektronik cihazlarınızı koltuk elektrik güç ünitesinden çıkartarak emniyete almanız gerektiğini hatırlatır, iyi uçuşlar dileriz. Sayın yolcularımız, uçaklarımızdaki havayı 3 dakikada bir yeniliyor, hava kalitesini en üst düzeyde tutuyoruz. 6 yaş ve üzeri tüm yolcularımızın uçak içerisinde maske takması zorunludur. Uzun süre maske takamayacak rahatsızlığı olan yolcularımız yüz koruyucuyla seyahat edebilirler. Ateş, öksürük, burun akıntısı ve solunum güçlü olan yolcularımızın durumlarını kabin ekibine bildirmeleri gerekmektedir. Teşekkür ederiz. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and dear children. As a Star Alliance member, we would like to welcome you aboard Turkish Airlines and Etihad Airways codeshare flight to Abu Dhabi International Airport. My name is Betül Pelvan and I am the cabin chief. We will be pleased to help you during the entire flight. You may use your electronic devices in flight mode. Electronic devices which do not have flight mode feature must be turned off. For takeoff and landing, all electronic devices must be disconnected from the inset electrical power supply and safely stopped. We wish you a pleasant flight. Dear passengers, we are renewing the air in our aircraft every 3 minutes and maintaining the air quality at its maximum. All passengers 6 years and older are required to wear a mask on board. Passengers who are unable to wear a mask for extended periods of time due to an illness may travel with a face shield. Passengers with fever, cough, runny nose, and respiratory problems must inform the cabin crew. Thank you.
Cabin crew be seated for takeoff.